Okay, very quick unboxing from the for the latest acquisition. This was the MN91. Currently on sale, or I found it on sale on AliExpress for around £30, $40. Come shipped in bubble wrap fairly decently, with basically a black bag around it. But seems to survive fairly well. So certainly wrapped well. The box has been a bit squished in transit, but again. This is based on the 90 series Defender. Yeah, it looks like customers have had a go at this one as well. I don't really expect fully proportional steering or anything on this at this price point. Bag of accessories. I think that's a warranty card. Old style controller. So I'm finding that these old style controllers generally means it's got the older style electrics, which aren't great, but for this price point it's a good looking scale model that I can then upgrade and make more hobby grade rather than toy grade. And there we go. Looks basically exactly the same as the 99S that I have. Yeah, it's got the horrible non-servo steering, sort of motorised steering. I think I might make this an open back model. None of the electrics in the back, or none of the LEDs. For friction shocks I don't feel too bad. I'm guessing it's like a 130 or 180 motor by the looks of it. But yeah, something to upgrade and have a bit of fun with. Let's pause you for a moment while I find some batteries. Okay, so we're back. Yeah, steering's horrible, but this one actually has power, unlike the 99S. So I bet you that doesn't have a free wire connection, which is a shame because that would be an easy upgrade just doing the survey. But still something to play with and make better. But it definitely sort of has more power than the 99S, because the 99S can't even run over hand. Yeah, steering's terrible, but anyway, so just a quick unboxing and another addition to the fleet, which is rapidly growing at the moment. So anyway, please like and subscribe, leave any comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you. And thanks for watching. Bye.